Hi there, meet the PRETTYCARELIFE Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and versatile 6-in-1 cleaning tool. Its self-standing design and 180-degree bendable metal tube make reaching under furniture effortless and comfortable. The vacuum features an LED display showing real-time battery life, powered by a long-lasting 2500 mAh battery for up to 30 minutes of cleaning. With a 6-layer filtration system and one-click dust cup dump, it keeps your home dust-free and sanitary without mess. The double-cyclone technology boosts suction power, easily picking up everything from pet hair to crumbs. Its motorized power brush with soft rollers cleans deeply while protecting your floors from damage. Plus, the roller is easy to remove and clean, ensuring peak performance every time. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.